Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 8. All the commandments that I command you this day you will observe to do, that you may live and multiply and go in and possess the land which Yahweh swore to your fathers. And you will remember every way that Yahweh your Elohim led you these 40 years in the wilderness, to humble you, to test you, to know what is in your heart, whether you would keep his commandments or not. Therefore he humbled you, and suffered you to hunger, and fed you with manna, which you did not know, nor did your fathers know, so that you would understand that Adam does not live by bread alone, but Adam lives by all that springs forth from the mouth of Yahweh. The garments upon you did not become worn, nor did your feet swell these 40 years. Also, you should consider in your heart that, like a man who disciplines his son, Yahweh your Elohim has disciplined you. Therefore, you will keep the commandments of Yahweh your Elohim, to walk in his ways, and to revere him. For Yahweh your Elohim brings you into a good land, a land with streams of water, of fountains, and springs that flow from the valleys and hills, a land of wheat, and barley, and vines, and fig trees, and pomegranates, a land of olive oil and honey, a land in which you will eat bread without scarcity. You will not lack anything in it. A land whose stones are iron, and out of whose hills you will dig copper. When you have eaten and are full, then you will compliment Yahweh your Elohim for the good land which he has given you. Beware that you do not forget Yahweh your Elohim in not keeping his commandments, and his guidelines, and his customs, which I command you this day, lest when you have eaten and are full, and have built goodly houses, and dwell, and when your herds and your flocks multiply, and your silver and your gold multiply, and all that you have is multiplied, also your heart is lifted up. However, you forget your Elohim, who brought you from the land of Mitzrayim, from the house of bondage, who led you through that great and terrible wilderness, the fiery serpents, and scorpions, and drought, where there was no water, who brought you water from the flint rock, who fed you in the wilderness with manna, which your fathers did not know, so that he might humble you, and that he might test you, to do you good in the end. Yet you say in your heart, my power and the might of my hand has got to me this wealth. Therefore you will remember Yahweh your Elohim, for he gave you the power to get wealth, that he may establish his covenant, which he swore to your fathers, like this day. For surely it will come to pass, if you forget Yahweh your Elohim, and follow after other deities, and serve them, and worship them, I testify against you this day, that you will surely perish, like the nations that Yahweh destroyed before your face. So too you will perish, because you will not be obedient to the voice of Yahweh your Elohim.